Have you ever wondered why two creators make videos on the exact same topic, yet one gets only 50 views while the other reaches millions? The difference isn't the camera, it isn't the microphone. The real difference is how the video is created. A few days ago, I clicked on a video with an amazing thumbnail and an irresistible title. But after just 30 seconds, I closed it. Then I watched another video on the same topic. It started with a question, introduced a problem, and gradually revealed the solution. Without realizing it, I watched the entire video. People don't come to YouTube just for information. They come for an experience. First, you need a powerful hook. Then, build intense curiosity. Always deliver massive value. And finally, offer a satisfying reward. When viewers become curious, their brain naturally wants an answer. Let's compare these two video timelines. This one shows you everything immediately, but this other one reveals information gradually. There are pros and cons to both. Which style do you prefer? Guide viewers step by step, and they'll naturally stay longer. Let's get started. Welcome to today's lesson. I'll share 4 strategies. These will elevate your skills. Let's begin. Have you ever wondered about the future? What if the answers are already here? Let us find out. Watch how fast we can change things up. Every few seconds, a brand new look. We can shift the perspective instantly. This keeps your audience engaged. No more boring static shots, just dynamic and fast visual changes. Strategy number 3 is all about storytelling. It takes your audience on a journey. It creates a connection. And that's the power of story. Wait! There's more! Let's summarize the 4 strategies. First is growth, and second is social. Third, efficiency, and fourth, innovation. These will drive our success. Thank you for watching. You don't need expensive equipment. Today we explore audience psychology. What makes viewers click and watch? It's all about the YouTube algorithm. Let's master it together. We looked at the analytics, and then this happened. I have never seen a curve bend like that before. That is all thanks to your incredible support. Welcome back to the channel. Check out these awesome recommendations. You will find incredible content here. Make sure to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one. In your next video, focus on telling a story, not just sharing information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.